Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our gorgeous channel. So this is another makeup edition, which is a pink fuzz makeup look. You guys can have this look in just a few minutes. If you wanted to learn more, please continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I already moisturized my skin using this Estee Lauder Day Wear with SPF 15. Please use a sunscreen whenever you are under the sun. I've been wanting to try this look since the beginning of the year because I think this is one of the color for 2024. Then for my primer, I am going to be using this MAC Primer Illuminator. This look is more of like a dewy look. Oh my god, the discoloration of my face is like, it's really obvious I'm getting old. For my eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Pretty Rich Too Faced eyeshadow palette. Look how beautiful and stunning. So we're going to start with a lighter brown color. This one, the shade is, it's Cashmere. So this is my transition shade. Wait, I forgot to put eyeshadow primer. So for my primer, I am going to be using this Bare Minerals Genude eyeshadow primer. The shade for this one is Espresso. Then for my eyebrow, I am going to be using this Revolution eyebrow pencil. The shade for this one is Ash Brown. So this one has a pencil and the other side has a gel. And the way I do it, I'm just gonna draw my eyebrow. This is very easy to apply. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the flat side and then fill in my brow. I'm not going to use the gel. I will use this NYX Professional Makeup Thick It, Stick It Eyebrow Mascara. See, it's super easy. Then I'm going to carve my brow using this Wet n Wild concealer. The shade for this one is C8418 Light Medium Beige. Eyebrow is done, so we're gonna go ahead and do the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow from Too Faced. It's a Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette, and look how beautiful and stunning. So we're gonna go ahead and do a lighter shade as my base or transition. It's Cashmere, and then follow it up with this little darker brown color, and then we're gonna put a little shimmer or a peach color shimmer, which is the shade Highly Selective. This one, the darker brown colors, I'm gonna go ahead and do the fancy that shade. So let's go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So just apply it all over my crease, dragging it outward. And then the darker brown shade, I'm just gonna apply it just on the half outer of my eyelid. And then using the same brush, I am gonna be using this, oh, that's Rich. This is a really dark brown color, just to intensify the eyeshadow on the outer part of my crease. And then below my waterline, I am going to be using the same shade, which I just apply it on the outer part of my crease, is the Oh That's Rich. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right here. Don't worry if you are going to mess it up, because we're just going to clean it later on with the concealer. And then for my shimmer, I am gonna be using this diamond glitterati shimmer. She's shimmered. And then on my waterline, I am gonna be using this Estee Lauder black eyeliner. This is waterproof, so it's really good. And then I'm gonna be using this Sephora Glide Liner. The shade for this one is Fuchsia Shimmer. Now I'm just gonna apply it on the inner corner just to give like a touch of pink. Then for my liquid eyeliner, I am gonna be using this Lubella liner. So this one is waterproof as well. Then for my concealer, I am gonna be using this L'Oreal True Match Concealer. The shade for this one is medium W6. This concealer is super lightweight. Oh, I super love this concealer. Then I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid filter. The shade for this one is medium number 4. Then for my powder foundation, I'm gonna be using this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. The shade for this one is Valaris. Oh, this is the first time that I use this liquid foundation. It looks pretty good. Then we're gonna go ahead and set my concealer. We're gonna go ahead and use this Milk Matte Loose Setting Powder, Blur and Set. And to set my liquid foundation, I am gonna be using this NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop. The shade for this one is Light. Then for my bronzer, I'm going to be using the cream bronzer. The shade for this one is Draft 2 Convertible. Then for my blush, I am going to be using this Bare Minerals Genude Blush On. The shade for this one is You Had Me at Merlot. And then I love using this House Labs highlighter. The shade for this one is Rose Quartz, and I just apply it on the inner corner of my cheekbone. This will also give like a good transition of my highlighter as well. Ooh. Then for my highlighter, I am going to be using this Wet n Wild highlighter. The shade for this one is Blossom Glow. My falsies. So this one, I got this from Dollar General. It's an Ion 2-in-1 Everlasting Lash Glue Liner in black. So let's go ahead and try this. Then for my setting spray, I am going to be using this Revolution Fix and Glow setting spray before I apply my falsies. I will put on my falsies. And this is the best part, beautiful people. I got the new lipstick from She Glam that I saw a lot of influencers are reviewing about this She Glam lipstick. The shade for this one is Own Your Shine. And then we're gonna go ahead and line my lips using this NYX Line Loud. The shade for this one is Make a Statement. Make a statement, right? Yep, make a statement. You see what I mean? I'm like, and this is not expensive at all. So here's the final look, beautiful people. What do we think about this look? If you have something in mind that you want me to try for a makeup look, don't forget to comment down below, and I will see you all in the next one.